Hello everyone and welcome to this week's mid-game tactic video tutorial. This will be chapter 10, this section 1, the second example. Again, we'll be dealing with ways of delivering a checkmate with the central cannon as one of the main attacking pieces. So without further ado, let us start our analysis. It will be red's turn to move. Red would have two chariots, one cannon. The cannon would have controlled the central file. Thus, the advisor or elephant cannot move, otherwise the cannon would be delivering a check. Now, black would have two chariots, one cannon, two pawns, also a full guard. Now, as can be seen, red's right flank was very empty. Now, the following kill that is demonstrated is quite practical and is often used in everyday play, either as a threat or as the main method of delivering a checkmate. So red would deliver a check with r2 plus 9. The only way for black to resolve the check would be to retreat his chariot, offer trade of chariots. Now, red would cleverly retreat his chariot to the third rank. Now, with this move, black would be prepared. With this move, red would be prepared to capture the central advisor and then deliver a check. For example, if black made some other move, like say threaten the chariot, this would be a check. The only move that is possible would be to play a4 plus 5, and red will checkmate in this manner. So this is the reason, this kill is the reason behind this move. So to defend against this attack, red would play e3 plus 1, such that red cannot capture the elephant and deliver the checkmate. So red would now traverse his chariot 1 intersection. Again, the idea would be, for example, check. Red would deliver a check over here, and this will be a checkmate. So because of this, black would be forced to retreat his advisor again. And this will allow red to push the chariot forward to attack the bottom rank, again threatening to capture the advisor and then the elephant for the checkmate. As can be seen, just in a span of a few moves, this red chariot would have positioned itself in a very favorable position. So now black links this chariot up so that if there's a check, he could move his king out, but it will be too late. Again, red cannot capture, otherwise it would be a checkmate. So black king would be forced out. Now, as mentioned earlier, one of the key pieces would be the red cannon over here, and it will make its presence known because it will allow red to now make this move of r5 plus 1 to deliver a check, forcing the king up. And red will continue to deliver a check with this other chariot. Now, if the advisor were moved, the black can only move his king. If he moved the advisor, there will be a checkmate very fast. No matter where the king would go, for example, if he retreated, this would be a checkmate. And now, because the chariots are linked, it would not be a good idea to trade chariots, and a kill over here would be impossible. So red would now niftily retreat his chariot again, preparing to play r8 equals to 4 for the checkmate, and thus thrust black into a dilemma. Now if let's say, after making this move, if black protected, he will lose his chariot and a game. If he did not, for example, he blocked, red sorry, he could protect in this manner. Red could simply capture the chariot, threaten to capture this chariot also with this cannon, and also there's also a threat of a checkmate over here. So black will be forced to retreat, and it would just be a matter of time before red won. So this is another good example of a very practical example of using the two chariot, one cannon combination, especially when the cannon has controlled the central file. So I hope you've enjoyed today's short video. I think this is very beneficial for beginners who still have a problem recognizing the different various patterns in Xiangqi. So if you like the work that I've been doing, please do subscribe to my channel and do support the work that I've been doing. I've also written a book to help beginners in their game. Thank you, and please and have a good weekend ahead. Thank you.